Alright guys, this one Nifty and the daily chart. Nifty are forming very interesting pattern. Alright, so in this video we will discuss what trading strategy we are going to deploy for the tomorrow and where is our entry and exit point, and definitely we will discuss option strategy for the expiry, what type of option expiry trading strategy we are going to deploy. And before I start, if you like, please like and subscribe. Definitely you click the bell icon, and when I'm releasing new content, so you will get the notification. Right now let me explain. So here I can see Nifty not able to break this previous lower point. So here was the lower point, but the price not able to break this lower point, and finally price from a double bottom. Alright, here you can see first bottom, second bottom, and that is the neckline. Alright, so finally price broke this neckline. What is the market rule? Once price break the resistance line, it goes up and again pull back. So after that again it's a bounce. Alright, so again like supporting line, once break the supporting line, again pull back and again goes down. So it's every time price are following this method. Right now here I can see price broke this neckline. So let me show you. That was the neckline. Price goes up and pull back. So we are expecting that price will go up from this level. All right, so that is where we are looking for buy. So first here let me explain here in a small time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So here I can see price was here open and goes up, pull back, goes up, and later on here I can see price drop and some correction are there. And right now here we have seen some supporting level. Let me show you in a daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, just a minute. Okay, here I can see price opening a gap up in this area. Have you seen? Price opening a gap up and again fill up this gap. This is the gap theory. So after that price again pull back, and here I can see price close around 16,550, almost 5,040. All right, so they form an indecision candle. All right, this is called indecision candle, and we are expecting that price will go up. Now question is that where is our entry point now? So let me show you here. So let me draw some supporting line. So here we have seen some supporting line. Let me show in a daily time frame, same pattern they are forming. Okay, what happened? Okay, now I can see, just a minute, let me zoom a little more. Okay, here you can see this is my support and resistance level. So we are looking for buy above this supporting level. Now we can see a small time frame like 5 minutes. Let me zoom a little more. Okay, whatever. Okay, so first we was looking for buy. This is the perfect buy opportunity we have seen. It's a near about they are bouncing from 20 RSI level, and perfect buy opportunity are forming. So we bought somewhere there and we are holding our position. So we are expecting that tomorrow price will go up. All right, in that case we bought some 2 or 3 stack out of the money and price goes up, so we are expecting the price will go up. So next, if price open a gap down, so we will sell something like that. So later on we'll discuss. So tomorrow I'll be live during this trading session, so definitely we'll adjust that one. So we are expecting the price will go up. So why we bought that one? Because that was a strong resistance, multiple rejection, and finally broke this resistance line and price closed above this resistance line. So my rule is that when we are going to buy, we are buying above this resistance line. Right now here I can see price above this resistance line and parabolic arc, and CCI also confirming that price will go up, and at least they hit or retest this previous higher point. So nearest higher point you can see like around 16,600. that is my target. All right, so as I said yesterday, we are looking for buy above this supporting line. Finally we have seen some buy opportunity, but we triggered our buy order, or we placed limit order above this candle, but finally price not able to trigger our buy order. Price drop again, and somewhere there you can see we have seen some sell opportunity. They are forming sell opportunity after breaking this supporting line, and price drop, and we booked our profit. So later we have seen some bullish confirmation, price goes up, broke this resistance line, we placed buy order, and we are expecting the price will go up, because here you can see RSI also confirming us. So we are using very interesting trading strategy. So definitely I'll create this trading strategy when we are going to place this order. This is my intraday setup. So here you can see okay, let me show you here. This is my trading setup template, and go to parabolic arc, and that is my trading setup. So you just go to 5-minute intraday setup. Here we have seen some buy opportunity. So in that case we use some support and resistance also. All right, so right now what trading strategy we are going to use here. So here you can see if price open like gap up or gap down, it depend on that. So if price open exactly here, we will sell at the money put option somewhere there. All right, so but we never allow the naked, because it's a gamma risk. So that is why we will protect our downside. All right, we never know price goes, it may go down also. That is why we always protect. So my entry point above 16,500, if they form 16,550, they form bullish signal, so we will go for buy. Next, if price drop, if they form any 16,500, any bullish signal like that, so definitely we will go for buy. All right, if price open a gap down a little more, so definitely we will sell, and our target will be here. Our target are confirming by RSI. Like here we have seen some sell opportunity, we booked our profit somewhere here, because it's near about 25 RSI zone. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.